We've just launched some new products. Follow me for a sneak peek. This is the new ESC model, SQESC 14130. Its introduction offers a new option on the market in terms of price, size, current, and voltage ranges. The included metal heatsink also significantly enhances the product's value for money. With a 14S 130 amps configuration, this setup is designed for high voltage and high current, yet remains compatible with the lower voltage and current systems commonly found on the market. At the same time, the 14130 is smaller than most models on the market. Highly compatible, it works with most products available on the market. The 14130 uses the STM32G071, a high-performance 32-bit processor. Supports AM32, Escape32, Heli32 firmware. Supports programming multiple motor motion modes, such as forward, reverse, and braking. After power-up, the ESC automatically detects the throttle signal and supports all D-shot signals, as well as PWM, one-shot, and multi-shot protocols. Supports multiple protections such as low voltage protection, temperature protection, locked rotor protection, and current protection. Visual programming parameter adjustment tool supports motor timing, throttle calibration, current detection, motor steering, telemetry signal, and other settings. Onboard RGB LED colored light settings. Multiple LED colors can be customized. Equipped with high-power MOSFET and paired with a metal heat sink, it effectively dissipates heat even under high current loads, ensuring stable and continuous operation. Thanks to these advantages, the 14130 ESC is widely used in multi-rotor drones, fixed-wing drones, crop protection aircraft, helicopters, quadcopters, rock crawlers, off-road model cars, model boats, surfboards, and water sports equipment. The accessories also include 30-90mm heat shrink tubing, 2 pairs of twisted pair cables, and 1 zip tie. Technology shapes the future, and Sequre is committed to innovation. If you have any suggestions or feedback regarding our products, please feel free to contact us. We will respond promptly and continue to improve.